Welcome to FlowSense, where we offer industry-specific ERP solutions designed for manufacturing excellence. Our platform is tailored for sectors like steel, process, healthcare, automotive, and aerospace, powered by advanced AI technology. Let's explore how FlowSense can elevate your operations. In this demo login screen, you can choose your role to explore the application. Options include owner, manager, accountant, and viewer, each with different access levels to suit your operational needs. This flexibility ensures that you can manage your business efficiently, regardless of your role. Here on the Mill Owner dashboard, you can view key metrics at a glance. It displays your total bookings, active orders, production efficiency, and total collections, enabling you to make informed decisions quickly. Quick actions allow you to create new orders or data entries effortlessly. In the Fiber Master section, you can analyze different fiber types and their parameters. Key metrics such as total fibers, cotton varieties, and average strength are presented here, giving you insights into material quality. This information is crucial for maintaining high standards in your production processes. The Yarn Master dashboard provides a performance overview of your yarn inventory. You can see the number of yarn variants, CSP strength, and distribution metrics, helping you manage your yarn resources effectively. This data drives better decision-making regarding your production lines. In the Chemical and Dye Master section, you can analyze chemical usage and cost trends. This visual representation of dye usage by category helps you track your resources and manage costs efficiently. Understanding these metrics is vital for improving material management and reducing waste. The Manufacturing Units overview showcases the status of your production facilities. Here, you can monitor total units, active looms, and their capacity utilization. This information aids in optimizing your production workflow, ensuring that you are operating at peak efficiency. The Loom Master section displays the current status of your looms. You can easily manage and sort looms by their operational state, allowing for quick identification of any issues. This streamlined monitoring supports proactive maintenance and operational continuity. In the Beam Register, you can track the status of all beams in production. This detailed overview includes information on the beam's life cycle and current status, allowing you to assess production readiness. Effective beam management is crucial for seamless weaving operations. The production orders screen shows you the status of all job cards in your production process. You can easily categorize orders by their stage: planned, in progress, on hold, or completed. This clarity helps in managing workflow and prioritizing tasks efficiently. The Knitting Machine Master provides an overview of all machines involved in your knitting operations. You can see which machines are running or idle, helping you to maximize operational efficiency. Keeping track of machine performance is essential for meeting production targets. In the Knitting Program section, you can manage all active knitting programs. This screen displays details such as target GSM and machine allocation, helping you streamline your production planning. Efficient program management ensures that you meet your quality and delivery commitments. The Roll Production dashboard allows you to track fabric rolls through inspection. It provides insights into produced, inspected, and approved rolls, facilitating better quality control. This level of tracking is essential for maintaining high standards in your fabric production. The Shift Production Overview presents key metrics for daily production tracking. Here, you can monitor today's rolls, weight, efficiency, and stoppage times. This data is vital for evaluating shift performance and identifying areas for improvement. In the Dyeing Machines section, you can view all equipment statuses at a glance. This overview includes available and running machines, ensuring optimal resource allocation. Effective management of dyeing machines is crucial for maintaining production timelines and quality. The Dyeing Batch Card screen displays the status of all dyeing batches in progress. You can see batch details, including completion status and processes involved, providing transparency throughout the dyeing cycle. This helps in ensuring that production meets quality standards. In the Process Execution section, you can track every step of batch processing. Here, you can see completed steps and their durations, ensuring that all procedures are followed correctly. This detailed tracking supports compliance and operational efficiency. The Chemical and Dye Usage dashboard provides insights into your chemical expenditures. You can analyze costs and quantities used, ensuring you stay within budget. Managing these resources effectively is key to maintaining profitability in your operations. In the cotton suppliers section, you can manage your supplier relationships. The supplier directory shows active suppliers and their offerings, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Strong supplier relationships are essential for maintaining a smooth supply chain. The Yarn Suppliers Overview gives you a similar insight into your yarn procurement. Here, you can assess active suppliers and their available products, which is critical for ensuring you have the right materials for production. Efficient supplier management reduces delays and costs. In the Buyers and Merchants section, you can monitor your customer relationships. This dashboard displays buyer details and their credit utilization, helping you manage accounts effectively. Understanding your buyer's status is crucial for optimizing cash flow and sales strategy. The Commission Agents screen allows you to manage your agents efficiently. You can track their performance and commission structures, ensuring that your sales processes remain transparent and effective. Having a clear overview helps in maximizing sales potential. In the Cotton Yard Stock Overview, you can analyze your current stock levels. This includes total sales and weight, helping you manage your inventory efficiently. Effective stock management is vital for meeting production demands and customer orders. The Yarn Warehouse Stock Dashboard provides a detailed view of your yarn inventory. You can see total bags, weight, and counts, which helps in managing your stock levels effectively. Maintaining accurate inventory is essential to avoid production delays. In the TACA Register, you can monitor individual fabric rolls by shade and location. This overview allows for efficient tracking of fabric movement, ensuring that you can fulfill orders accurately. Detailed tracking aids in inventory management and reduces errors. The Shade-Wise Stock Position section provides insights into stock levels by shade. You can see the distribution of shades and total meters available, helping you manage color offerings effectively. This data is crucial for meeting customer preferences and production requirements. In the Packing Verification screen, you can ensure that packing matches production orders. This verification process is important for maintaining quality and accuracy in your shipments. Effective packing management ensures customer satisfaction and minimizes returns. The Gate-Out Scan dashboard allows you to manage outgoing shipments. Here, you can scan barcodes as products are loaded onto vehicles, ensuring accurate inventory tracking. This streamlined process enhances logistics efficiency and reduces errors. In the Cotton Booking section, you can manage your supplier agreements. This overview shows pending and completed bookings, enabling you to keep track of supplier commitments. Efficient booking management is essential for maintaining smooth operations. The Gate Entry and Weightment screen allows you to track incoming logistics and their weights. This ensures accurate logging of materials received, which is vital for inventory management. Accurate weight tracking supports operational efficiency. In the Sales Booking section, you can monitor total bookings and their statuses. This overview helps you keep track of pending and active sales orders, ensuring that you manage customer expectations effectively. Efficient sales tracking is key to maintaining customer satisfaction. The Stock Allocation dashboard provides insights into orders awaiting allocation. Here, you can see which stock items are pending dispatch, helping you streamline your logistics process. Effective stock allocation supports timely deliveries and customer satisfaction. In the Dispatch Planning screen, you can manage all dispatch schedules. This allows you to track pending dispatches and plan logistics effectively, ensuring that your shipments are delivered on time. Good dispatch management is crucial for operational success. The Buyer Ledger section provides insights into customer accounts and payment trends. You can analyze aging accounts and payment histories, allowing for better cash flow management. Understanding your ledger helps in making informed financial decisions. In the Sales Register, you can view detailed sales reports and trends. This dashboard gives you insights into revenue and invoice statuses, helping you assess your financial performance. Keeping track of sales data is crucial for strategic planning. The Stock Summary screen provides an overview of your inventory distribution. Here, you can see total stock values and distributions across different categories, assisting you in managing your resources effectively. Accurate stock summaries support better financial planning. To conclude, see FlowSense in action by scheduling your personalized demo today. Experience how our advanced ERP solutions can transform your manufacturing operations and drive efficiency. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your business with FlowSense.